belly only. Breathe out slowly. Make sure your hand is up, okay? Breathe out slowly and then squeeze the trigger very slowly. Keep your grip on it. Figure out the trigger well. Okay. Remember, after you shoot, always point back at the tree. And then that way you keep the gun pointing in the safe direction. All right? Go ahead and do one more shot. Okay. One more. Okay. Now, I want you to do